Good evening. My name is Francisco Mesquinayas. I am going to talk about of technological tools in the teaching and the use of the ICT in the process of English. The applications are political, social, economic, and activities academic. But I am going to focus on the use of ICT in the educational field. Most people agree that technology can be used effectively for learning, in this case English. Um, we are we have 5 benefits according to Bradford Brown in Cooking 12 year year 2000. They are real-world experience, participate in complex and cognitive tasks, to receive feedback, interaction between communities, spending opportunities. Mm, more more beneficial resources and information, modernity to student and teacher, media capability, facilitate distance learning, repeat content. The two are motivating, and we have a disadvantage of the use of ICT. For example, lack of training, technological resources in the classroom, lack of time, keyboard skills, technological skills. Other disadvantages are creative isolation in students, unlimited access and resource, technical problems. I think that they see I, ICT are very good for application in the learning or in this moment, but in the classroom, face to face is in this country is difficult. They obtain it. The system equip or or different tools is also great.